All right, this thing is getting set up, but just holding it like this, it is unbelievably thin. Like I cannot believe how thin this phone is. This is wild. It feels like you're holding like a couple pieces of paper. Like it's pretty light and it's unreal how thin it is. Another thing I was noticing is while I was like typing in a few things to get started, the haptic feedback is top of the line premium. Like, and I am not entirely sure. I'll have to look up the specs, but I believe this thing has at least two haptic feedback motors, so that when you're tapping on different sides of the screen, you get the left and right feedback. Versus most phones only have one in the center, so the whole phone just vibrates as you tap it. You don't get like a tap that you know you hit the left side and know you hit the right side while you're tapping. But that's what it felt like. It felt like the as I was typing, each side was vibrating independently of the other, which is a really cool feature that a lot of phones don't have. It's got the internal display protector alert. The phone does come equipped with a screen protector on it. It says do not remove the pre-installed protector or use a third party. Doing so will remove a layer of protection and void the device warranty. Instructions on how to take care of your phone, like make sure there's not coins and stuff in here when you fold it up. Oh wow, look at that. It took the home screen and it made the home screen on the demo phone there. Multitask like a pro. Split screen mode lets you work with up to 3 apps at once for maximum efficiency. Oh yeah, laptop mode, desk display, endless possibilities it says. I'm really only seeing two there in the demonstration, but oh yeah, look at that. Seamlessly switch between displays. More space, more creativity. Woo! There is the beauty itself. So this is the regular home screen, so when we flip it in, boom, now we have just the left half. Open it back up, and then we have that half over here, and then we have another half over here for more usability. This thing is crazy. It's also nice too, the back, home, and recent app buttons are here in the left hand corner, so you can still access it while using it one-handed. Nice. We have the Moto AI button here on the side, so I'll have to get that set up. But there's some information on the AI key, and oh, you can have it do some features if you double press it too. Absolutely beautiful.